Sea animals. Dolphin. Dolphins are intelligent mammals that live in oceans. They eat fish and squid and use echolocation to find food. Shark. Sharks are powerful predators with sharp teeth. They eat fish, seals, and even other sharks. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have hard shells and live in oceans. They eat jellyfish, seaweed, and small creatures. Octopus. Octopuses are intelligent and have 8 arms. They live in coral reefs and eat crabs and small fish. Whale. Whales are the largest animals in the ocean. They eat plankton or fish, depending on the species. Crab. Crabs are small crustaceans with hard shells and claws. They live on the seafloor and eat algae and small animals. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and live on rocks in the ocean. They eat clams and other small sea creatures. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, jelly-like bodies and long tentacles. They float in the ocean and eat tiny plankton. Seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fish with long necks and tails. They live in seaweed and eat small shrimp and plankton. Seal. Seals are marine mammals that live near the coasts. They eat fish and spend time on land and in the water. Lobster. Lobsters are large crustaceans with strong claws. They live on the ocean floor and eat fish and plants. Clownfish. Clownfish are colorful fish that live in sea anemones. They eat small invertebrates and algae. Swordfish. Swordfish are fast swimmers with long pointed noses. They live in open seas and eat smaller fish. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that swim in cold seas. They eat fish, squid, and krill. Squid. Squids are fast swimmers with soft bodies and tentacles. They live in deep waters and eat fish and crustaceans. Eel. Eels are long, snake-like fish that live in caves underwater. They eat fish and small crustaceans. Sea lion. Sea lions are playful marine mammals. They live near coasts and eat fish and squid. Walrus. Walruses are large marine mammals with long tusks. They eat clams and live in icy seas. Barracuda. Barracudas are fast, predatory fish with sharp teeth. They hunt smaller fish in warm seas. Manta ray. Manta rays are large, flat fish with wing-like fins. They glide through oceans and eat plankton. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in borrowed shells for protection. They eat algae and small sea creatures. Orca. Orcas are strong predators that hunt in groups. They eat fish, seals, and other sea creatures. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up their bodies to scare predators. They live in warm seas and eat algae and small creatures. Shrimp. Shrimps are small crustaceans that live in the ocean. They eat algae and tiny plankton. Thanks for watching.